Hello, curious minds. Ever wondered how machines can learn like humans? Machine learning is a fascinating branch of artificial intelligence where machines improve themselves by digesting vast amounts of data, just like students in a classroom. So, that's the magic of machine learning, teaching machines to learn from data. Now, how do these machines actually learn? Let's delve into the fascinating world of neural networks, the backbone of machine learning. Picture the human brain, an intricate web of neurons, each connected to others, transmitting information through electrical impulses. Neural networks in machine learning operate in a similar way, but instead of neurons, they use nodes. These nodes are organized in layers, forming a network. Data enters the network, traveling from one node to another, each layer capturing and processing a different aspect of the data. This journey through layers helps the machine to identify patterns and make decisions. The magic happens during training when the network adjusts its connections based on the data it receives, refining its accuracy over time. With each piece of data, these networks grow smarter, much like how we learn from experience. Let's see how machine learning powers some of the tools and technologies in our daily lives. Imagine you're choosing a movie on Netflix or deciding what video to watch next on YouTube. Behind the scenes, machine learning algorithms analyze your past behavior to recommend content you might like. When you speak to virtual assistants like Siri or Alexa, it's machine learning that processes your words to understand and respond. Even the predictive text that suggests your next word as you type relies on it. From what you watch to what you type, machine learning is there, enhancing your experience. What's next for machine learning? As we peer into the horizon of technological evolution, machine learning stands at the forefront, poised to redefine industries. Imagine roads filled with autonomous vehicles, reducing accidents and optimizing traffic flow. Envision personalized medicine, where treatments are tailored to individual genetic profiles, revolutionizing healthcare. And consider the creative industries, where AI assists in crafting music, literature, and art, expanding the boundaries of human creativity. The possibilities are boundless, and the future is being written now with machine learning. Intrigued by how machines are learning and evolving? Today, we've explored machine learning's basics, its powerful mechanisms, real-world applications, and its exciting future potential. As technology progresses, consider the transformative impact of AI on our lives. Keep exploring, stay curious, and remember, the future is intelligent.